Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new, my name is Marissa, also known as Homemaking with Marissa. Today's video is going to be outfit ideas using my capsule wardrobe from fall of 2021. In my last outfits video, I showed predominantly dresses. This video is going to focus on mainly pants outfits. Now, I am also going to be sharing later in the video an item that was not working in my capsule wardrobe, what I removed, and what I replaced it with. So make sure that you stick around towards the end of the video and I will be going into further detail about that. Before we get started by sharing today's outfit, I am drinking a cup of coffee out of this mug that I think perfectly embodies corporate America. It says, "I survived another meeting that should have been an email." This came off Amazon, and if I can find it and you think it's funny too, I will link it in the description box down below. Let's go ahead and get into the outfit that I am wearing today. Oh, also, I am wearing glasses, which is really rare on this channel. I hardly ever wear my glasses, but my eyes are super irritated, so hopefully I was able to position the camera in a way where there's not a giant glare on my glasses when I'm filming this intro. All right, let me show you today's outfit. Today's outfit is utilizing two of my core items. The first is this blouse. This came from Nordstrom Rack. I did get it this year. I will say that this runs quite large. I got it in a medium and should have probably sized down because it's always slipping off of my shoulders. And to be fair, I'm never a size small. So I feel like this shirt runs very big. I am wearing my black skinny jeans from Talbot. This belt is off of Amazon. And then my shoes came from Nordstrom Rack last year. They're just the platform sneakers. And then over the top, I am wearing an item that I am borrowing from my teenage son. It is this flannel. It does have a hood, which I think will be perfect. I don't know if it's supposed to rain today, but it's always nice to have a hood if it does. I love doing the combination of something that's more girly, like this blouse with the gold belt, and then something that's a little bit more masculine and casual, like a flannel over the top. I just feel like it is the perfect little juxtaposition to have the combination of girly and masculine in the same outfit. Today is just a lazy weekend. I've said a lot of times that primarily on Sundays, we don't really leave the house. We don't do a lot. I try to get some time in working for my regular weekly job. I just try to get ahead of the workflow for the week and work some on Sunday while my husband's home and can help with the kids. Because of that, I am wearing a very casual outfit today. This t-shirt is from J. Jill. It is in this kind of blush. The color's not coming up right on camera. It's a blush pink colored top. I am wearing a cream colored cardigan over the top that came from Target. I did get this particular cardigan last year. It is not available this year, though they do have one that's very similar in the same color. I just have my Apple Watch on. I did paint my nails today. This is the sweet chocolate gelish gel polish. I am wearing my Athleta joggers. These, I cannot say enough great things. If you're looking for a quality pair of sweatpants, these are not inexpensive, but they don't fade. They're really good quality. I love them and they're so comfortable. And then on my feet, I am wearing just a basic pair of tennis shoes. These came from Target. I got them this year. And again, I don't know what's up with the lighting in here today, but let me see if I can do a close-up of these shoes. So you can see they have creams and browns, and then they also have that blush pink color in the laces. I did buy these shoes this year, and I do think that they're gonna go with a ton of my fall outfits. Just that color scheme goes well with the color palette that I chose for this season. My hair is just up in a claw. I will insert a picture of what this claw looks like. I got it at Target. I wanted something that was gold, and I thought looked cute when I just pulled my hair up like this. On Sundays, I do a hair mask, so I try not to style my hair because I've said it before, when I use the Olaplex number 8, it is difficult to style my hair after. So I typically do it on a day when I'm just gonna wear my hair up. Today's outfit is very casual. I am wearing an oversized boyfriend tee. This came from Aries. It is in the same kind of blush pink color top that I wore yesterday. I count t-shirts as extras. I don't count them as core items. So this is an extra. I'm wearing the leopard watch band. These are my attempt at branching out of wearing skinny jeans. I'm still not sold on the idea. I do not feel like these are as flattering, but I'm trying to embrace the trend and wear a more straight leg jean. I am wearing my brown belt from Amazon. These tennis shoes are the same as yesterday from Target. And then I just wore my hair half up, half down. Today, working and soccer. That is all that is on the agenda. Here is my outfit for today. I am wearing this green REI dress, a white boyfriend fit button up from American Eagle. I just knotted it, buttoned it, and tucked it under. This is a very oversized sweater, but I just like to roll up the sleeves, and I think that it gives it a different look and also provides an extra layering piece. And then I am wearing a pair of sandals from Target. Now, if you have been following along with my fall 2021 capsule, you're probably thinking that dress was not part of your capsule wardrobe, so why are you wearing it? I had one piece that was pretty, I don't want to say problematic, that's dramatic, but it just wasn't working for fall. It was a dress that I had for summer. Let me go ahead and show you which piece I'm talking about. This maxi dress is going to be coming out of my fall wardrobe for 2021, and this green dress is going to take its place. Now, I really debated, because I post this online and try to encourage people that you can have a minimal wardrobe and it's completely attainable. However, I had put 2 black dresses into my fall 2021 capsule, one of which was this, another is a REI dress that is a little bit longer and a little bit thicker. I was not wearing this, and we are only 3 weeks into the fall season. If I have a piece that I'm consistently passing over because I don't feel like it's super appropriate for the weather and it's my least favorite of my 2 black dress options, I'm not going to keep it in there for the entire season. Now, I did not want to go to the store and buy a new piece to replace it, which is why I pulled my bins out from the closet, went through them, and found this piece that was in my summer 2021 capsule. I'm just gonna swap it out. It's not a big deal. This can be super fluid, easy, attainable. If you have an item that's not working, don't be afraid to swap it out for something that is going to be more conducive to the season that you're in. With that being said, I would try to avoid using this as an excuse to go shopping. I did not want to go to the store and spend money on another piece. I knew that if I went through my bins, I would have an item from a prior season that I could swap this black maxi dress out for. I'm going to just go ahead, put this back up in the closet, and I will save this for spring or summer of 2022. It sounds weird to say that, but spring or summer of 2022. Today's outfit is taking into consideration that it is 50 degrees and pouring down rain in Oregon today. I am wearing this sweater is one of my 10 core items. I purchased it from American Eagle last fall. It's not still available in this pattern, but it is one of their jegging sweaters. It's meant to be long enough to wear with a pair of leggings. And I love the slouchy, oversized fit of these sweaters. I'm pairing it with a jacket that this came from Forever 21. I've talked about it in other videos. I bought it more than 5 years ago. It was less than $30 and it has held up so well. I do like pairing this army green color with camo. I'm wearing a pair of leggings. These are the Spanx. Kohl's, I don't know if they still do, but Kohl's used to have a less expensive version of Spanx leggings. They were more along the lines of like $35 price point instead of $100. That's what these are. Like I said, I don't know if they're still available. I do own Spanx leggings and they are definitely a better quality, but if you're looking for a more affordable price point, I do recommend getting the Spanx. Like I said, it's like their less expensive line. On my feet, I am wearing a pair of black rubber boots. These are from Target. I think I got these last year. I have been contemplating for years getting a pair of the lower hunter boots, but I wanted to make sure that I was going to consistently be wearing rain boots before I spent that kind of money on an item. These are still in great condition. They're holding up really well, so I will be wearing these Target version for at least this fall season. My hair is down and 10-minute makeup look. Now, I decided to set this up so that I could actually not be holding the camera and just talk to you guys. Today on my agenda, I am getting an annual exam. And this is kind of my PSA for this video. If you have been neglecting things like your annuals, your mammograms, eye exams, dental appointments, anything that there are recommended intervals of time that you should have these things checked out, I'm encouraging you to just go ahead and click out of this video and get those scheduled, because it's been really chaotic the last 18 months. I acknowledge that. It's really easy to get distracted by everything that's going on and not schedule these appointments that are important to make sure that we're taking care of ourselves. So if you are behind on any of those things, I'm encouraging you to just take the time and schedule it today. Let me know in the comments of my next video if you scheduled an overdue medical exam. If you are still with me and you're new to my channel, haven't done so already, you can subscribe by clicking on my face here. I will include an entire playlist full of capsule wardrobe videos for you here, as well as a video that YouTube thinks that you enjoy down here. I hope you're all doing well. See you in my next one. Bye.